Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about CSS style. CSS styles can be included in HTML files in three ways. First we will understand what is CSS. CSS style is a cascading style sheet. If you want to apply any styles for a specific text, or else if you want to apply any styles for a whole web page, that we can do by using CSS style. Till now, whatever tags we have learned, that all we have learned about text formatting elements. These CSS styles can be used inside the text formatting elements, and you can apply different CSS styles for the specific elements. There are three types of CSS styles, means we can include these CSS styles in three ways. First way is inline CSS. Next one is internal CSS, and then external CSS. First we will start with the inline CSS. Inline CSS is used to apply unique style to a single HTML element. If you want to apply a specific styles to a specific HTML element, then this inline CSS style can be used. Inline CSS style can be used by writing attribute of a CSS style inside the style attribute. Here h1 tag I have written. This h1 tag already we have learned. And next one, this is the style is one attribute. We can write different attribute CSS attribute list inside this style. First we will learn inline CSS practically. Here one file I have created. I have saved this file with the name inline css.html. So here what I am going to write, I will write some text element formatting tags heading 1 and I am closing h1. So one more tag I will write, that is the p tag. Here I am going to write paragraph 1. Here I am closing this p tag. Whenever I save and run this program, I have not applied any formatting for this text. It is displayed in a normal. So if you want to apply any styles for these h1 and p tag, so I want to apply different formattings for these h1 tag and different formattings for this p tag. Then how I can write? Just to keep cursor inside the opening h1 tag. Then here we need to write the attribute style. Open, close and semicolon. Next what I can do? Keep cursor in between double quotes. And here we can write the properties. Color is the name of property of a style. Colon. Value of this color attribute should be anything like blue I will give. Blue color I am giving. So sorry, semicolon should be inside the double quote. I am saving this. Here I am going to refresh. You can observe this color has been applied to this heading tag. If I want different color, background color, then background is a background colon color is a attribute or else properties. I am giving yellow color background for semicolon. Here you can observe this is the name of the property and this is the value of this color property. And after finishing every attributes or else property, I am writing semicolon here. This will help to differentiate all the attributes of a style tag. Background color yellow I am giving, and then at the end of this attribute I am writing semicolon. Save this program and you can refresh it. Here you can see background color is yellow added. Whatever attributes I am applying in this h1 tag, these attributes are applying, CSS styles are applying only for this h1 tag. This is called as inline. Here I can write again style equal color colon red semicolon